Thank you so much for watching this video. Please make sure to subscribe this channel. This is part 1. So we are going to explain you second, sine, SLN and a small formula. First formula, second formula. The function will show the second of the minute based upon a time or a number. The function will show the second of the minute based upon a time or a number. Only the fraction part of the number is used, as it is this which relates to time of day. I'm going to repeat, only the fraction part of the number is used, as it is this which relates to time of day. Formula details, very simple. You just need to mention second, select your number, bracket close, enter, you'll get your second details. Is any formatting is required? There is no formatting is required. The result will be shown as normal number between 0 to 59. Complete details, complete video details available in description box, so please copy and paste. But for that, please make sure to subscribe this channel. And we have a separate videos in which we already explain every single formula with multiple examples. Now move into second formula, sine formula. This function tests a value to determine whether it is positive or negative. This function tests a value to determine whether it is positive or negative. If the value is positive, the result is 1. If the value is negative, the result is -1. If the value is 0, the result is 0. Formula details, sine, you just need to check your or select your cell to get the sine value. Formatting required or not? No special formatting is needed. This formula works in every single version of Excel. As I mentioned, this is part 1, and in part 2 we are going to explain standard deviation, standard develop, substitute and sum, and in part 3 we are going to explain sum if, sum product and SYD formula. Now move into next formula, which is SLN. Very unique formula. I'm pretty much sure nobody is going to tell you about SLN formula. Please check YouTube and then share your comments that how many video you'll find to get information about SLN formula. SLN formula, this function calculate the straight line depreciation of an item. I'm repeating again, this function calculates the straight line depreciation of an item, also known as fixed installment method. The straight line depreciation is how much the value of an item reduced during a specific period of time. The result is a uniform depreciation value. I'm going to repeat it again, please note it down. The straight line depreciation is how much the value of an item reduced during a specific period of time. The result is a uniform depreciation value. Formula details, very simple. You just need to mention SLN, original cost, selling price, length of ownership, bracket close, enter, you'll get your result. And I'm pretty much sure nobody else is going to explain you this kind of formula. And we have a separate video in which we explain every single formula with multiple and different kind of examples. So is any formatting is required for doing this formula SLN? No formatting is needed, and this formula works in every single version of Excel. I would really appreciate, go ahead and try to perform this formula in your Excel version. A small formula, this function examines a list of value and picks the value at a user specified position in the list. So you'll be able to find out the small number as per your requirement from the mentioned list. Formula details, very simple. A small list of numbers to examine, then comma, then position to pick from, bracket close, and then enter. You'll get your small number, position or rank, I would say. Formatting required or not? No special formatting is needed. This is very basic formula, but very interesting formula. I would really appreciate, go ahead and try to perform every single formula in your Excel sheet, and then you'll understand how this formula works, and then you'll be able to create your own compound formula. Thank you so much for watching this video. Complete details available in description box. We have a separate video in which we explained all this formula with multiple examples. Please make sure to share your feedback so that we will try to improve ourselves for you guys. Thank you so much liking this video. Thank you so much liking our YouTube channel. Have a great day. Have a great Excel future.